Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen here for Sputnik Entertainment, and today we're taking a look at how much money you can make selling on Newegg. Of course, Newegg is a very well-known technology marketplace and a website, but a lot of people don't know that you can actually become a seller on Newegg. Now, to become a seller on Newegg, you have to go through an application process. On this page, you tell a little bit of information about your business, what kind of volume you do, what kind of inventory you sell, and if you're accepted into the program, you can become a Newegg marketplace seller. Of course, Newegg sells a lot of the products themselves directly, but they have a wide variety of sellers as part of their network. So if you're interested in becoming a seller on Newegg, go to newegg.com/sellers, and there is a button in the top right portion of the website. Click on apply, and you'll be redirected back to this page. So the main reason that I'm taking a look at today at Newegg and how much money you can make selling on it is that I've been seeing more and more ads bombarding people about becoming an Amazon seller, becoming an FBA seller, etc. But nobody makes videos on becoming a Newegg seller. And today I wanted to take a look at it, go through some of the fees like we went through Amazon, and give you some of my perspective. Newegg, the marketplace for tech lovers, start selling. The #1 global tech marketplace reached over 40 million customers, which is of course a little bit less of traffic that Amazon gets, which they advertise gets close to 300 million customers. But it's definitely has its dominance in the tech space and tech marketplaces by a wide margin. Global expansion simplified, sell to customers in 20 countries. Logistics and customer service save you time and money. Customized marketing, your brand's voice perfectly presented. And it kind of has a streamline of how you become a seller and how you get paid. Go through an application process, you list your items, you promote them, you ship them, and you get paid on a weekly basis. Become a Newegg elite seller. At Newegg, every seller is an elite seller. Ha ha, he he. The #1 marketplace for everything tech, and they have a little video going over it if you guys want to take a look at it yourself. Enhance seller stores. Customize your Newegg store landing page with featured products, banners, and video using Newegg's premium seller store. Discounted fulfillment service. Have Newegg house inventory, pick, package, and ship product on your behalf with Ship by Newegg, SBN fulfillment. So I definitely want to take a look at SBN in a future video. Like I definitely want to take a look at FBA, which is the Amazon component of things, and maybe do a side-by-side comparison, some of the features, pricing, etc. Let me know if you want me to make that video in the future. Post-purchase emails. Retarget your customers, drive brand engagement and return business. Audience segmentation and scheduled emails available. And next, they have 3 different plans, which are part of the Newegg Elite Seller Program. So they have the standard, which is 0% fees or 0 fees. And with it, you get a seller portal, a data feed, and on-site promotions. Of course, you're missing out on a lot of additional features that you get with $29.95 or $99.95 a month selling plan. But let's start out with the $29.95 a month plan, which you get the seller portal, a data feed, on-site promotion, API access, premium seller store, curated marketing programs, and you get a 5% discount on Ship by Newegg fulfillment, and you get a 5% discount for Newegg shipping label service, and you can list up to 25,000 items, which is a lot of items that you get with it. So for most people, $29.95 covers most bases. But of course, they have the enterprise component of things for people who are doing very, 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 very large amount of shipping and traffic. So let's take a look what you get with it. Of course, you get everything that you get with a professional plan, which I don't want to repeat myself. You also get personalized post-purchase emails. You get a 10% Ship by Newegg fulfillment discount. You get 10% Newegg shipping label service, and you have unlimited item listings with it. And of course, if you have questions, you can reach out to them. And to go over what is the Premium Seller Store. The Premium Seller Store is an enhanced storefront that allows you to control how your Newegg store appears on Newegg.com. Using Premium Seller Store, you're able to to feature products, modify banners, including video or customized HTML, directly on your Newegg store landing page. Premium Seller Store is only available to professional and enterprise sellers. What is the curated marketing programs? Join the Newegg marketing as a professional or an enterprise level seller. Guarantees eligibility for our curated marketing programs. These programs may include social media campaigns, exclusive blog posts, video, and more. Our marketing team assesses eligible sellers and will contact you if you're selected for a curated marketing program. What is the personalized post-purchase email? Personalized post-purchase email is available exclusively to enterprise sellers and allows you as a seller to target your customers, driving brand engagement and return business. Feature includes audience segmentation, curated email templates, and scheduled email sends. And of course, shipped by Newegg fulfillment. It kind of speaks for itself, is similar to FBA with Amazon. And Newegg shipping label service. Newegg shipping label service offers sellers an alternative, cost-effective shipping service compared to third-party shipping services. We provide print and ready shipping labels at a discounted rate. You simply attach a label to a package and ship it. And once again, with the basic plan, you get 5,000 items you can list, 25,000 or unlimited. But let's jump into categories and fees. So as usual, this is going to be a mouthful. So a product category, and then they have a type of product and their fees. Now I'm not going to go through all of them like I did with Amazon. I'm going to highlight some of them. So your apparel and accessory category, and it gives you types of products like sunglasses, shoes, wallets. That has 14% fee, which is kind of interesting that they're going to have that versus 15%. I think they're trying to compete with Amazon. Appliances like refrigerators, vacuums, coffee machines, 12%. Beauty is 12%. Camera and photo is 9%, which I believe Amazon was 8%. Cell phones is 8%. DVDs and videos is 10%. But remember, Amazon had a closing fee of $1.80. Food and beverage, snacks, candy, coffee, tea, etc. is 15%. Motorcycles and power sports is 10%. Office supplies is 13%. Watches is 12%. And remember, watches had this weird additional fee level associated with it, and other is 13%. Although I skipped many of categories, but you guys get the idea. If you want to take a look at it yourself, go to newegg.com/sellers, scroll to the bottom of the page, and it gives you a bit of a breakdown. So the biggest takeaway I can see from this is they're definitely trying to be more price competitive or fee competitive compared to Amazon, which is a great thing, although some categories are a little bit more. So I definitely would not make Newegg my only selling platform. If you're definitely interested in selling on Newegg, I definitely look at some alternatives like Mercari or even Amazon, Walmart, which we're going to take a look at a future video. And it gives you a bit of an insight. And then they have some FAQ section below. Best Online Shops 2020, which has been rated by Newsweek. And once again, if you're interested in selling on Newegg, you would click on Apply Now. So I definitely want to dive into Newegg and start selling on Newegg, give you my feedback, how much I'm doing on it, how well I'm doing it. I did not mention in this video, but I have been selling online for over 5 years. I have sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of merchandise. I've sold on a lot of top platforms like Amazon, eBay. Now have transitioned to a lot of app-driven sale platforms like Mercari. I have never sold on Newegg, and that's one of the reasons why I want to play with it. But at the same time, if you have sold on eBay, or I'm sorry, Newegg, I would love to hear your stories. So you're more than welcome to leave a comment in the description of this video, or if you want to let me know on social, you can do as well. What was your experience like selling on Newegg? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Is there good things, bad things? Have you had a mixed experience with it? Or if you're selling somewhere else, I would love to know where you're selling. Actually, one video that we were going to do, which is selling on Rakuten, is being scrapped because while researching that video, we have discovered that Rakuten is discontinuing their business starting September 15th. And of course, due to that reason, they're not accepting any new sellers. So if there's a marketplace that we have not taken a look at that it has a lot of traffic, not some weird marketplace, let us know. I definitely want to take a look at Etsy and Walmart in future video. But once again, if there's a marketplace that you like and we haven't talked about, let us know, and we'll definitely take a look at it in a future video. You guys can let us know either on social or in the comment section below. Or if overall you guys want to submit a topic for a video, more than welcome to do so as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.